Welcome to Promontory Community Park. This community park is over 18 acres and open daily from sunrise to 10 p.m. Promontory Park is located at 2700 Alexandra Drive. Its sprawling design was a collaborative effort between the district, our residents, and local sports groups. The result is a park that features children's play areas, sports fields, sports courts, and more. This park boasts a large splash pad that is open from Memorial Day weekend through Labor Day weekend. The splash pad has many water features including ground fountains, a spraying flower, snake, and a spray tunnel. In addition to the splash pad, you will find 2 children's play structures, perfect for younger or older children. Promontory Park also features a large, covered picnic area available for rental. This space is great for hosting birthday parties, corporate barbecues, or other celebrations and gatherings. Barbecues are also available to park users. Promontory Park has many sports courts, including 4 lighted bocce courts. These courts are utilized by the district's bocce ball league for bocce classes and are open for general public use. You will also find 2 lighted tennis courts and 2 lighted softball fields. A unique feature of this park is the large, lighted artificial turf sports field that is striped for flag football, soccer, and lacrosse's use. Don't worry, this park features on-site restrooms and drinking fountains, so guests can stay comfortable during long games or outings. Promontory Park also features a First Responders and Veterans Memorial brought about through a partnership with local Eagle Scouts from Boy Scout Troop 645. A future 1.2-acre memorial park is planned for the site. If you are interested in a trail walk or outdoor biking experience, Promontory Trail extends from Promontory Park to Saratoga Estates, just off Highway 50. Promontory Trail is a publicly accessible 3-mile trail. We hope you enjoy this fun outdoor recreation area.